So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is open up your BigCommerce account, and after that on the left you can see home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. So you can just open up settings after that. From here you can see setup. You can see underneath general, you can see orders, products, marketing, domain, advanced. Now let's go back to the setup. So you will need to go to payments. So it says here payment methods for the currencies you support in your store. So let's open that. From here you can see payment methods, set up payment methods for the currencies you support in your store. So that's the briefing. You can see offline payment methods, so you can read through those if you wish. You can see online payment methods. Again, you can just check them out as well once you open it. But in order to get to Apple Pay, it's going to go through digital wallet. So if I click on this, Apple Pay, it's gonna give me Apple Pay settings, how to get started. You have to update your store before you can use this payment method, so that's fine as well. You will need to set it up so they're compatible. Apple Pay provides an easy and secure way to pay for physical goods and services such as groceries, clothing, tickets, and reservations. By using Touch ID or double-clicking Apple Watch, users can quickly and securely provide their payment, shipping, and contact information to check out with just one touch. So that's kind of the pitch of Apple Pay, and you can get it through there. You just need to set it up or to make it more compatible through there, and just click on save afterwards. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.